Happy Sunday, guys. How you all doing? Nice weekend. I hope you guys are catching your phone. Guys, in every circumstance, be strong in the Lord and never you give up. Yeah. I just want to wish you happy Sunday. Nice day, nice Sunday. Enjoy yourself. Catch your phone. Guys, today is Sunday. We're on our way going to church. Guys, don't lay down on anyone. I want you to go with this. Everybody is important. You know that you are important. You are important. Without God and without you, I won't be here. So I just want to encourage you. Never you give up. Catch your phone. Be close to God. In everything you do, make sure you put God first, guys. Yeah, I just want to use the opportunity to say my name still remains Chichi Nwachukwu. In case if you are new in my channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Chichi Nwachukwu in the building. It's all about being positive. My channel is about being positive, Guys, without being positive, it will be hard for you to move forward. So you must be positive. Because once there is life, there is hope. So that is why you have to be positive and continue to move forward. If it's not working, it does not mean that it won't work. It will work at the appointed time of God. God will perfect it. So I want you to go with this. And I just want to tell you that I love you and I want to appreciate all those who have been in support to this channel. Thanks. And if you are still wondering, maybe thinking, will I, please subscribe. I love you. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And let me know how you spend your weekend, guys. I spend my weekend with my family, So today we didn't do much actually, but we're on our way going to church. So let me know how you spend your weekend. I just want to say I love you guys. Thanks always supporting me and cherish everyone around you. Everybody is important. I love you. Go and blessed, and don't forget that Jesus loves you most. Bye guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for supporting me. Ciao. I love you. Happy Sunday once again. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Happy. Guys, like, I have one song for you. You tell me, say, make I no worry, that everything gonna be okay. You are the father to the fatherless. I'm singing this for you. Miracle working God. He make the blind man to see. He made the crippled man to walk. You are the lily of the valley. He make it possible. So there is nothing too hard for God to do. So I just want to say I love you. Go with it. I love you. Take someone, and someone will take someone. That I love you. Once again, I remain your girl Chichi Nwachukwu. Continue to support me. Bye. I love you. Happy Sunday. Bye.